In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter credit card charges in QuickBooks Desktop. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to navigate to banking up top, and from here you want to click on enter credit card charges. When you do that, you have two options. You could use this section up top over here, or you could just go ahead and go into expenses down here at the bottom. So make sure first you have it on purchase/charge, and then over here you want to select where you purchased from. So the vendor, I'm just going to go with a random one, for example, CU Electric over here. This is just some sample data I have in here, but that's what it's going to look like. Then you want to select your class over here. It's up to you. And then you can also add a memo. So I'm going to just type test in here, for example, and then the amount as well, for which right now I'm going to do 50. If you have a reference number, you can put that in over here as well. And then you can put in the date as well. Okay. I'm going to leave those two empty, and that's pretty much it. So as you can see over here, it's going to add it to expenses down here at the bottom. And of course, you can then go ahead and select different custom things over here. You can select like different classes, stuff like that, and it's completely up to you. So this is the customer job, and then you have like this one over here, which let me actually extend this to show you. There we go. It says billable, so you can do check or not. And then if you want to add more of them, you can just go ahead and add them like this. So for example, like that, and then you go like this, you put in the memo, etc. And then you can simply click on save and close whenever you're ready, or you could do save and new if you want to create a new one as well. And that's how to enter a credit card charge in QuickBooks Desktop. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.